Ever wondered how a soft board turns rock hard? Here's how an inflatable SUP is born. First, ultra-durable drop-stitch fabric is precision-cut and printed with custom graphics. It all starts with high-density drop-stitch fabric, offering maximum rigidity and shape retention under high PSI. Next, eco-friendly, UV-resistant inks are applied for vibrant graphics that won't fade under intense sunlight. Next, expert hand gluing and high-temp heat welding make sure zero air leaks. Craftsmanship matters. Marine-grade adhesive is hand-applied to ensure complete coverage and zero dry spots. An inner rail tape is then bonded along the seam, providing the first line of defense against air leakage. Using precision heat guns, thermal welding fuses the PVC layers into a single indestructible unit. Stainless steel D-rings and reinforcement patches are hot pressed to withstand heavy towing and gear tie-downs. A second outer rail layer is sealed on top, creating a double-walled bumper that shields against rocks and friction. Then comes the soft, non-slip EVA pad for maximum grip and comfort on the water. A soft, grooved EVA deck pad is roller-pressed for maximum grip, foot comfort, and anti-peel durability. We add the valves, D-rings, and bungee cords to lock down all your gear. The high-pressure air valve and elastic cargo bungees are installed for fast inflation and gear security. Finally, a full air leak test, then deflated, packed, and ready for your next adventure. After a 24-hour pressure test, each board is fully deflated, precision rolled, and ready for global dispatch.